Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another scenario of using cat command. In our previous session, like in previous session, we discussed various things related to cat command, like how to append the data in a file, how to redirect the data of the cat command into a file, right? And also we discussed how we can populate the data or display the data using the cat command. Now just assume a scenario where you want to display the data, but at the same moment you also want to display the line number of the data because that is very important, right? Just assume you are working for a project and there you have merged multiple file data. Let's say 4 file is there. So we have merged the 4 file data, but at that data we want line number also. Then how we can utilize the cat command? That thing we are going to discuss in this session. Okay. Again, I'm saying that this is important session because yes, sometime let's say if you are reading the file from some program, then also it would be very useful for us to read the data with the help of line number, because after reading the specific line number you can easily perform data manipulation or data extraction. Okay, so that's why it is important to read the data with a line number. Clear? So now what we will do, we will simply I'll simply show you the files and the directory which we are going to use today. Simply write here work lnk, enter. After work lnk you can see work with object link. So this is a screen, work with object link screen, which shows us the directory of the home directory, which is /home/sharmit. Now in the /home/sharmit directory, we can check there are various files and directories available. Okay. Now in this files and directory we have various data. Just assume a thing like I'm taking option 5 on this rrYY.txt file. So it is showing me the 5 record, which is correct, right? This is our sample record. Now here we have intentionally put this line number, but it is not always fixed that your data contains your line number, right? This we have populated just because of the demo purpose. So what will happen if these things are not there? Just think that it will only show testing from rry.txt, right? So in this case we are not able to identify which line number is which record is on which line number, right? Just to solve this issue, what we will do, we will use -n. Now -n, what it will do, it will uh, showcase us the line number of exact record. Clear? So now what we will do, we will try to explore some scenarios, because the requirement is pretty much clear that yes, whenever there is a need to populate the data, or you can say display the data with a line number, then in that case you can utilize the um, cat command. Clear? So let me show you some practical thing now, like how we can use it practically. So for that I will simply go here and write qsh. What qsh will do? It will open qshell command prompt. Okay, one more thing, let me copy the path of that file. Simply I'll write again work lnk. We will copy one path of a file. Let's say, let me delete this one, okay, because this we will use in a reference purpose. Work lnk, enter, remove this, do page down, and then you can simply, sorry, I again forgot to take the path copy. Yeah, so yeah, this is the path that we will copy from here, and now we are good to start with the practical thing. So simply write qsh here. After writing qsh, you can simply write again cat, then space. This is the file. Now at the moment if I hit enter, you can see it prints the data like this, but it is not showing us line number. Remember one thing, this is the thing that we have added intentionally. This is not coming from the system, right? If you have already covered the previous session, then you should you should know about this thing, that we have added this record intentionally, that this is not coming from any command. Okay. Now if you want to include the line number here, what you can do, you can simply use one extension here, which is -n, and then simply hit enter. So now these are the number which is generated by the system itself, which is showing the line number for a particular record. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can see it has been populated. Fine. Now one more thing. Now what will happen if we try to merge the data for multiple file? Will it show the line number? Let's see. So for that I can do one thing. I can simply copy it from here, and then I'll simply replace that file name with another name, which is xxy.txt. So you can see it is printing the record from 10. It is printing 10 record, which shows the line number of each record. Okay, so this is how you can simply populate the data with the help of -n command. Okay, fine. So now it's time to see how we can use the same thing, but will it work if we try to you can say create a new file with a merged output? Will it also store the line number? Let's see. So simply write capital. Before that, one more thing. Let's say if I try to run this command, will it work? It's a question for you guys. Like if we try to put like this rrY.txt, because this thing we have already discussed many times. Will it work if I hit enter? No, it will give error. Why? Because this time we are trying to use the option -n, but it is in capital. And when you are trying to use capital N, it will for sure give you error, because this is case sensitive. We have to put small n only. Okay, still it is giving us some error because we have put the wrong. Okay, let me correct this. We forgot to add slash. Yeah, let me repeat that thing. Okay, still if you try to you like we have corrected everything. Now if we try to use capital N, it will give error, because this error is for this option and we are not supposed to provide this option as a capital letter. Clear? So I think now it is everything is sorted, and we were just talking about the merging. So let me tell you, let we will merge this thing. So /home /Sharmit /xxy dot txt. Now we will redirect it to aabb dot txt and simply hit enter. So it has been added. Now same thing you can verify from here also, cat, and then your file name is aabb.txt, because it is at home location, so I'm directly running this command. You can see there is no need to put the path, and you can see it is printing the data with these line number. So that means if you are redirecting the output, then that time also it shows us the line number, or it stores the line number. You can see here. Okay, same thing goes with redirection. Let me show you that also. Let's say if I want to redirect some output here, so I can simply write cat -n, then a space, and then I can put the file name which I want to redirect. Sorry, not redirect, append xxy.txt. Then append sign is double angular bracket, and then the file name is aabb.txt, and enter. It is appended. Now if I do cat then xxy.txt, enter. So you can okay, we put the wrong file name. It should be aabb. So you can see it is printing the number. Okay, one more thing. What will happen if we again use -n with it? So you can see it is again showing us the number, but this time it is showing us overall number, continued number, right? And this is the file basis number. Clear? So this is how we can easily utilize the cat command in order to populate the data with line number. And same thing you can also verify with this aabb.txt output file. You can see it is printing us the data, and this is the data which we have appended to the existing data without clearing it. Clear? So yeah, I think now it's good time to start with the CL part. Let me quickly show you. I have already created one program. So in this program is to use cat with -n. For that, simply declare variable with DCL command name, variable type, storage, and length. Then simply hit enter. Variable is declared. Then write chvar cat space -n, which is for line number, space home sharmit rryy.txt space /home /sharmit /xxyy.txt, or enter. So after that you can simply write strqsh, and provide variable which is command. So we are good to use it. Now simply write and compile it and call it. So you can see it has been printed the required output, and for timing we just printed it. Same thing you can also perform here, like data redirection or data appending you can perform with this command also. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.